Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great, staying home and staying absolutely fit and fine. Now talking about fitness, post-COVID I had gained so much of weight, because of so much of medications and all of that sort. So I thought it's time for me to lose those extra kilos. Now not only a proper exercise but also a diet would help us in reducing weight, and that's when I found an amazing product which is Progenis Protein Bar. It is filled, in fact it is infused with 6 different nuts and seeds. Now you will be amazed to know what all seeds and nuts it has, but before I begin with the video, let me just tell you all it is absolutely a non-sponsored video. The name, I think everything is hidden in the name itself. Pro for protein, G for green tea, N for nuts, and S for seeds. It is 100% vegan, so this is an amazing alternate for all my friends out there who have shifted to a plant-based diet. Now this one bar of Progenis Protein Bar contains 17.5 grams of protein. Now can you imagine having 17.5 grams of protein after a rigorous workout, because we need a lot of protein intake after the exercise, and that's the reason I shifted to a Progenis protein bar instead of a protein shake. Moreover, it contains 14 grams of fiber, which is equivalent to having 3 cups of spinach leaves in a day. Now I think that is absolutely amazing. Now let's talk about the G factor, which is green tea. Now we know that green tea is so beneficial for our body, for our hair, for our skin, because it even it acts as an antioxidant. It even helps us in reducing weight. Now for my friends out there who do not like the taste of green tea because of its bitter taste, I certainly can relate to y'all. You can try Progenis Protein Bar because it is amazing to taste. Now you know what, since it is right in front of me, I just cannot wait, but literally I'm drooling, so I need to have a bite. Guys, trust me, it tastes amazing. Especially when you eat it. It even has cranberry extracts. Yes, it has cranberry extracts and the crunchiness of the bar because of the 6 different nuts and seeds which I already told y'all. So guys, this is the complete package of the Progenis Protein Bar, wherein everything, all the details like the fiber content, the protein content, everything is mentioned here. It even helps in burning body fat mass. One box of Progenis Protein Bar consists of 12 bars, and each bar, the content of each bar is 50 grams, and the cost is 1,320 rupees. So guys, I think this is an absolute, it is an amazing steal deal, because we are getting 12 protein bars in just rupees 1,320, and each protein bar, it helps in burning body fat mass. Now apart from the delicious and crunchy taste, it even keeps us absolutely full after a proper workout regime. Not only it would satiate our hunger pangs, but also would keep us rejuvenated and refreshed after an intense workout. Now another very important thing is it is also suitable for people with diabetes and PCOD. It has no added sugar. In fact, it is naturally sweetened with stevia. So guys, according to me, it's an ideal post-workout protein and a best mid-meal snack. So my friends out there who really want to lose weight, so the year 2021 is absolutely for you. Go and grab yourself a box of Progenis Protein Bar, and having it, I'm sure you will not regret buying it. So with that, I come to the end of another video, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you did, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye-bye.